Okay, hello friends, this is Yusuf here. Welcome to another interesting video. So it's been some time. We posted the last video. Okay, so I thought of coming up with a different kind of video. So this one is going to be about the dinosaur game, what we have in the Chrome. Okay, so if you guys have seen that, if you don't have internet, okay, it will say that there is no internet connection, and it will give you a dinosaur, little dinosaur to play with that. So first thing is we are going to see how we can complete the game easily with a little bit of programming, and also how do we, if I want to play the game, do I need to really switch off the internet? Actually no. Okay, we'll see that how. So we can play the game in two ways. Okay, the first thing is if you press F12 on your Chrome or something like go to inspect. Okay, you will get the developer tools and you go to the network tab. Okay, and then here says it's online. Okay, go and then say it's offline, and you refresh your page, then your browser becomes offline. Okay, even though you have internet, then you can press the space bar, then your dinosaur starts, and then there is a score, and you can press the space bar and go. Okay, that's one way of doing it. So now let's make it online again. Okay, refresh and we get the internet. Now the other way of running it is actually to launching the application itself. So what I mean by application is nothing but you can go type chrome colon slash slash dino. Okay, dino. So then we are actually opening the application inside the Chrome browser itself. So now here you see we didn't switch off the internet and anything, but if you press the space bar, still the game goes on. But if you access the application directly, it comes with a full screen. Okay, yeah, cool. Now it ends here, but our objective is to make sure what is the end of this particular game. Okay, if you proceed further, so how are you going to hack that? Okay, you might have seen some videos where they create some Python program and then they look for the pixel values, and if there are any obstacles then press the space bar and so on. Okay, but we are going to do it in a different way. So that is going to be via the JavaScript itself. Okay, so I'm going to press F12 so that I get the, and let's go to console console tab. Okay, now this program or the game itself is written in JavaScript inside the Chrome, okay, browser. So the runner, there is a class called runner. Okay, so runner is the class of this program. Okay, and if you click, there is a lot of things. So what we are looking into something called this one, instance of. Okay, so runner dot instance of dot game over. So this is actually a function. Okay, game over. If you look into this, right, when the game is ending, which means when you touch some obstacles, right, this is a function getting executed, which makes sure that there is a sound played, there is a vibration, there is a stop. So because of this stop, the game is stopping. So what if the stop is not there, or what if we are able to replace this game over function with our own function so that the game will never stop? That's what we're going to do. So what here we are telling that the game over function, okay, is equals to, and I'm going to say I can create a new function. Okay, this is a JavaScript way of telling it. Okay, and I'll say just console log game never ends. Okay, so now what we have done, we have replaced the game over function of this particular instance of the game with our own function. Now let's restart and see what happens. It goes, let's see the first obstacle, and it never ends, and whatever we have our function is getting executing. Okay, so as you can see now the scores are getting increased. That's okay, and if you have enough time you can sit and then check how long it goes and maybe what is the end of the game. Okay, but the point here is, even though we say we hacked this game, but there are some disadvantages. Okay, what is the disadvantage? Is nothing but, since we replace the function here, obviously the actual function, the game over function, is not getting executed. But it's turned out to be, even though if you get high score, the function to update the high score is sitting in the game over function of the existing code. So even though you get a high score here, that will not be set as your high score, like what you are seeing it here, right, when you launch it next time. That is a disadvantage, but that is not a point here. The point here is to just check how this game goes. Maybe if you are curious what is the end of the game, you can check that out. So I think, yeah, you like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So that's it for this video. I'm planning for some other crash courses. I'll be giving the updates in the coming days. Yeah, that's it for this. Thanks for watching.